Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Search Console for performance comparisons, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Search Console website. Click on the Start Now button located at the top right corner of the page. If prompted, log in with your Google account credentials. Ensure that the Google account you use has access to the Search Console property you want to review. Once logged in, you will see the Search Console homepage. From here, select the website property you wish to analyze from the list. If you don't see your property, ensure that you have appropriate permissions. After selecting the property, you will arrive at the dashboard. To access performance comparisons, locate the Performance tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Performance tab to open the Performance Report. In the Performance Report, you will see various metrics such as clicks, impressions, and average position. For comparison purposes, click on the date range filter located at the top of the report. Select the comparison option, typically represented as compare or a similar choice. Choose the date range for your first set of data. Then, select the date range for your comparison data. The report will update to show the performance metrics side by side. Review the comparison data to understand trends and performance differences. You can further filter results by queries, pages, countries, and devices. Utilize these filters to gain deeper insights into your website's performance. Once you've analyzed the data, you can export it if needed. At the top right corner of the report, click on the Export button to download your findings. Use this information to inform your SEO strategies and improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.